Okay, today we will discuss about the gravimetric dust of the dust sampler, that is gravimetric dust sampler. To today's aim of experiment, we will do the experiment, the determination of airborne respirable dust concentration using gravimetric dust sampler. The model is MRE 113. MRE stands for Mine Research Establishment. This is the organization of UK, London, and this is approved by this MRE, and this model is MRE 113. This is also approved by our DGMS to use in the coal mines and metal mines. So this is basically this is the gravimetric dust sampler. This one is the gravimetric dust sampler. MRE 113 is the model, and this is from Kasla, London. Basically, what happens this instrument, this gravimetric dust sampler, is having this illustrator. Basically, the different components. I will tell you the different components. The different components. This having the illustrator. This long channel having the four channels are there. This channel is called the illustrator, and this one is this is a resistor plate. The restrict the airflow, and this having this transfer hood. This one is called transfer hood, and from there it is the inside it is the filter holder. Inside it is, I will show you, it is filter holder where the filter paper is being placed. This one is the filter holder. Here the filter paper, this is the filter paper, which the filter paper initial weight has to be taken, and after the taking the initial weight, then this has to be placed in this filter holder for the sample purpose, and close this filter holder, close this airtight. It should be airtight, this filter holder, and the other components are this rotometer. Here it is the rotometer, and this is the flow meter. This motor, this instrument run as the nickel cadmium battery with nickel cadmium battery. This is the nickel cadmium battery having rechargeable nickel cadmium battery. So when we will show you that when this filter holder is your battery holder is there, and when we will place the battery holder, and before taking this it is to be the filter holder, the battery has to be placed in this filter holder and connect with this motor connection. Having that, this is the diaphragm type motor which suck. It is designed such a way that it sucks 2.5 liter of air from the atmosphere in liter per minute. So this is the flow meter, and this is the rotometer. Before starting this experiment, it is to be hung, this instrument to be hung in the nose level. So nose level. So as we inhale the dust from nose and mouth, hence it is to be where it is required to be take that as a dust concentration. In that place, it is the return place or working district. It is to be hung in the particular point. So it is how can this instrument has to be level. One spirit level is given here, and it should be level. So this you can see that instrument is properly level. After that, so when we will start, when the rotometer will stop, it will before doing start the instrument. This rotometer has the 0 liter, the airflow. It has to be concept by this knob. So rotometer has to be the liter flow, which will show it has to be concept to the zero position. It is in the zero position. Then we have to place, then this you have to insert the battery in the filter in the battery holder, and then this is the on off switch. This one is the on off switch. As moment we will, when we will start this is the on off switch, and when we will start, when we will do all these things, and then the initial weight of the filter paper we have taken, then you place it inside this filter holder, then we have to start, and doing this liter flow is zero. Then we start the on off switch, and having the high in the nose level in the return over the working district, that will start for the full shift. We will run for the full shift. After doing all these things, after this full hours, full shift, I mean 8 hours, then it is to be removed. Then it is to be stopped. It is to be stopped and removed from the filter which we have taken. The filter for weight, initial weight. Then you have to remove this filter paper, and you have to take the final reading. And then you have to take the final reading of this filter paper. then different of the filter paper, it will give you the dust deposited in the filter paper. So it is the lateral flow. We have to convert it is designed such a way that it will stop that this bubble will jump. One bubble you can see it is jumping here. The lower limit is 2.4, the upper limit this middle is 2.5, the upper is 2.6. This bubble will jump in between that 2.4 and 2.6. That means what happened? That this air flow, the I mean this liter the air whatever the air is increased, the liter flow of the this flow is average flow is 2.5 liter per minute. So when we will show this liter flow, this we will stop the instrument. We have to see the this how much liter flow has been taken by the throughout the chip, how much this liter flow has been, how much the air has been passed inside this filter paper. Then the different will give you the filter deposited in the dust, sorry filter the dust deposited in the filter paper. Then what happen, you divide with this liter flow has to be converted in meter cube by dividing with 1000, and it will give you the mg per meter cube of air. Okay. So what happened? This is the basically stainless steel. This instrument is having the dimension. Basic dimension of this is 230 mm, and the breadth is your this width is 120 mm, and this height of this instrument is 175 mm. The average, the approximate weight of this instrument is 4.1 kg of kilogram. And this instrument is presently, this was earlier it was approved by our DGMS, so that used in the metal mines and coal mines also. Coal mines basically, coal and metal mines. This still it is people are using in the mines, but the due to this manufacturing, they are not manufacturing this components of this. Presently, it is not available. So still the people are using this dust concentration. Okay.